It is the Mazda Flair crossover from Fujimi Models, and it is today's What's in the Box look. Hey everyone, and welcome to another What's in the Box look. And today that is the Mazda Flair crossover from Fujimi. This is going to be another one of their no glue and no paint kits. And if you're saying, gee, it kind of looks awfully familiar, well, you are correct. You are not mistaken. It is the Suzuki Hustler, just with the name of Mazda attached to it and the Mazda badge attached to it. Obviously, Mazda and Suzuki are sharing this platform, so Fujimi decided to do the same thing and do both versions. So really, essentially, they are going to be the same kits. The only difference is really going to be the badging, the Mazda badging is going to be the difference. So why did I get another one? Good question. I don't know. So we'll take a look and see what makes this the Mazda Flair versus the Suzuki Hustler. So let's get to it. I'm not going to cover the entire kit. If you want to see the entire kit, you can take a look at the Suzuki Hustler What's in the Box, because it's going to be basically the same kit. All right, let's take a look at what makes this the Mazda Flair versus a Suzuki Hustler. And it pretty much just comes down to the decals. And we'll take a look at the decal sheet. Now this is one of them. See, there you have the Mazda emblems, the Mazda Flair badging. And here you have some more decals for the interior and whatnot. Other just various decals. I believe this is going to be the same decal sheet that is in the Hustler. And because the type of kit this is, the stickers, which pretty much cover the same thing as the decal sheet does, just in sticker form. So this is what basically makes this a Mazda Flair versus a Suzuki Hustler. I will put a link up so you can take a look at the Suzuki Hustler kit, the What's in the Box look, because that's essentially, it's all the same pieces. It's just the decals is where the difference comes from. That's the difference. It's just the decals. It all comes out of decals to make it a Mazda Flair or a Suzuki Hustler. With that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.